Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the simple English chapter 16. This one, chapter 16, simple interest. The money which you are taking, I have discussed, that is called principal. In short form, it is denoted by P. Is clear? Rate. At what rate? There is condition. Rate is denoted by the time. How many years or how many times? So this is T. SI. Simple interest. Interest. That is SI. And amount, it is denoted by A. My dear student, simple interest. Now I am not writing simple interest. SI. In place value of simple interest, SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Sometimes may be asked P, principal. So P is equal to SI into 100 by SI into 100 by P is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. And T is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. My dear student, amount is always more than, greater than principal and simple interest. So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Simple interest. This can be written as A equal to P dot per SI. It is clear? Now, my dear student, the amount is equal to principal, the P is equal to what we write? P is equal to A minus SI, and SI is equal to simple interest is equal to A minus. It is clear? Understood? It can be simple interest can be written as I also, sometimes may be I for interest. It is clear? Now I am coming on exercise 16.1, question number first. Question number first. It is there. Find the simple interest. Simple interest on first is there. What is first? Rupees 3,000 for 4 years. 4 years at 4 years at 8% per annum. My dear student, how can you spell? What is my first line? I am writing short for principal. The P is equal to 3,000. R is equal to 8%. T is equal to 4 years. What is asking? What the question is asking, my dear student? Simple interest. Find the simple interest. So I am writing SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. SI is equal to P. T is given rupees 3,000. R, what is given? R, 8%. T, what is given? 4 and by 100. My dear student, what is it? 8 into 4, 32. 34 into 3, rupees 960. This is your answer. Now, my dear students, understood? Now, the next question is there. Now question number I am going to solve second. Second is there, find amount to be paid, means P is equal to rupees 4,850 for T is equal to 6 years and R what is given? R is given here 4%. My dear student, in this one, first you find out simple interest and then amount is also, you have to find amount. To find amount, first you will find simple interest. My dear student, what I have given? SI is equal to P R into T by 100. SI is equal to, my dear student, what you will write? P, what is given? 4,850. Here unit is there, rupees. So rupees is there. Okay. Now R, 4, T is 6 and by 100. How can we cut? See this one. This 1 0 cancel with 1 0. Now 10 is divided by 2, so 5 will write and 4 also. Now this one 485 is divided by 5 divided by 5, 1 will come and it will come 47. Okay, 47, 97 is coming. Now if you divide 97 will come. 97, you do multiplication with 12. What it will come? 7 into 2, 14. Carry 1. 18 plus 1. So what it will come? Rupees 1164. But this is not the question. What the question is telling? Find its amount. Amount is asking. My dear student, amount how you get? The amount is equal to, you have a study, amount is equal to P plus SI. Right? So now what is your P? P is your rupees 4,850 and plus what is interest? 1164. So now 4 plus 0, 4 is coming. 6 plus 5, 11, 30. 1 is coming. 6 plus 5, 11, 8 plus 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 4 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. So your answer is rupees 6,014. This is your. It is clear. Now understood. So whenever the question is telling find, you will find first simple interest and then amount is equal to P plus SI. It is clear. Now I am going to question number 4. What is there? Ranjana bought. So P is equal to Ranjana bought is given here. Ranjana borrowed rupees 5,000. Means she has taken rupees principal 5,000 at the rate of 12%. Rate is given 12% and time is given also 3/2 years. What you will write? T is equal to, it is mixed fraction improper, 3 into 2 6 plus 1, 7/2 years. Now first we find out simple interest. Simple interest amount we will find out, but in this question she paid money 4,000 and she has not enough money. So the question is that find the cost price of what? Cost price of her watch. It is also going to ask. Here three. First, my question, what you will do? Say, first you find out simple interest. SI equal to P into R into T by 100. SI equal to what you will write? P at 5,000, R 12%, and T 7 by 2 by 100. Now dear student, what you will do? 2 0 cancel it. 2 0. It is divisible by 2. Then 12 will divide this is rupees 2100. Now what is amount? Amount is equal to P plus SI. P plus SI. A equal to it and P is here 5,000 plus rupees 2100. 2100 is equal to amount equal to rupees 7100. Okay. The amount came, but your question is not asking. Find the cost price. So my dear student, amount is equal to what he has given? 4,000 rupees, 4,050 plus cost price of what? Cost price of her watch. Listen, actually she should pay rupees 7,100, but she has only rupees 4,050 plus cost price of her watch plus cost price of her watch. Cost price of her watch. Now therefore, what is the cost price of watch? Therefore, the cost price is the cost price of her watch is equal to what you will write, my dear student? 7,100 is there actually she should pay, but she has paid money 4,050. So what is rest money? Subtract 3,050 will come this. What is this? Okay. So the cost price for Ranjana of this bar is 3,050. This is your answer. Okay, my dear student, it is clear. Now question number 6. Question number 6. What is there? A woman borrowed rupees. Here rupees. P is equal to rupees 8,000. What he has taken? She has taken loan from a bank. 8,000. Time is given. T is equal to 7 1 by 2 years. Is equal to 50 by 2 years. And time is given, rate is given 8 1 by 2%, 17 by 2%. Please listen. What we have to find? Amount. Find the interest and amount. In this question, interest means simple interest. Simple interest. That is asking and amount. What is asking? Amount is asking. My dear student, how can you solve this question? You have studied SI equal to or interest P into R into T by 100. My dear student, SI, what you will write SI? P. What is given? 8,000 into R what is given? 17 by 2. Very good. And T, what is given? 15 by 2. 15 by 2 and by 100. Now, cut it. Okay. Now, cut it. Divide. Now, what it becomes? 15 into 20, 300 becomes. And 300 multiplied rupees 5100. This is your simple interest. Now what the question is telling? Find amount. My dear student, amount is equal to P plus SI. Amount is equal to P plus SI. What is principal here? Rupees 8,000 plus rupees 5100, 5,000. So 5,100 is equal to what you will write? Rupees 13,100. This is your answer. Now I have solved question, my dear student. The rest question, please you solve yourself. And if you have problem, please contact me. Thank you, my dear student.